Hi, my name is David and I am an owner of this Australian model Subaru Outback Touring. I'm not employed or sponsored by Subaru, just a happy owner who wants to share information, features and accessories available in the Australian and New Zealand models of this car, including my own add-ons that I have installed in this vehicle. Before buying this Outback, I've searched YouTube for information on the Australian models of this car, only to find out of the many features highlighted on YouTube is available to USA and other overseas models only, and not available here in Australia. I'll mention in each episode of this Aussie Outback Owners channel a new topic on this car, including available features on the Australian models, features not in the Australian models, as well as parts suitable for the Australian models that are only available for purchase from outside Australia. I would also like to invite you to submit information that you would like to share relating to your Subaru Outback through this channel by sending me a YouTube link of your video to my email aussieoutbackowners@gmail.com. Please also provide your name, location and your mobile number when you email me your link to your video. Your video may include your own Outback stories, information on accessories fitted to your Outback, and perhaps even video footage of where you and your Outback have travelled across Australia and New Zealand. Some of you may ask why New Zealand should be included as part of this channel, and my answer to that is if New Zealand team can be part of the Australian Rugby League competition, then they should be included as part of this channel also. By the way, I bet there are many awesome locations in New Zealand that us Aussies would like to venture out in a Subaru Outback. If there is any information that you're specifically looking for on the Australian and New Zealand models of the Subaru Outback, please include your questions in the comments below and I will do my best to find the answers to the information you are looking for. If you like this channel, please don't forget to click the like button and hit the subscribe button to get the latest updates on this channel. I hope you will enjoy the contents provided on this channel and I would love to receive your feedback, whether they are compliments or suggestions, to allow me to improve this channel. In the meantime, happy outbacking!